Hi friends, what I'm going to talk. You may be wondering what this caption is all about and how true it is. You can rest assured that I will discuss only facts, no fake at all. It is true that designated and focused attacks on Hindus in this country can be witnessed more under a BJP rule whenever there is a BJP at center than under the UPA rule, whether be it Vajpayee's regime or the present regime of Narendra Modi ji. What is looming large on this nation? Nearly 10 to 12 crore Hindus living in this country will be declared as non-Hindus very soon. Yes, you heard right. If it is true, then the entire chunk of this huge population will be sitting pretty opposite to Hindus in our own country. Who are those Hindus I am talking about? During the census that is being conducted in India, every 10 years up to 2011 census, the Indian tribal population has been enumerated as part of Hindus and never shown them separately, not even in once. However, this time, our anti-Hindu leftists are making a sinister move by the leftists mobilizing a movement to pressurize the central government to declare tribals as a separate religious group during the census 2021 process. This movement is led by NAIRC, that is National Adivasi Indigenous Religious Coordination Committee, and its leader is being Rama Rao Dora from Telangana, has recently urged the Modi government to implement at central level, including a separate religious column, tribal religion, in the census forms, enumeration forms. It is very pertinent to note here that Mr. Rama Rao Dora has thanked the AP CM Mr. Jagan for having included tribal religion as a separate option in the form recently created in Andhra Pradesh, followed by Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. This is shocking development, though this is highly unconstitutional, and the state government cannot declare a group of people as being followers of a separate tribal religion which is neither in existence nor constitutionally it is recognized. Then how can they do this thing? The Constitution of India cannot create a new religion. For that matter, no new religion can be taken birth in this subcontinent because every theological or material or metaphysics or spiritual views being based either on Sanatana Dharma, including Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism and other Indic faiths, or Abrahamic tenets. There cannot be a new religion can be formed and a community can be put under that new practice, new religious practices, as Abrahamic religions took birth 2000 years ago, whereas Hinduism was 10,000 years old and tribals were associated since. I refresh your memories of a new film made by Bahubali fame Rajamouli last year on the historic life history of Telangana tribal leader Komaram Bhima, who fought Razakars in Nizam state of Hyderabad. The hero at the end of the film was shown as wearing a skull cap like a Muslim. This was severely opposed by the BJP leaders as well as Hindu outfits. Now let us see the census figures of 2001 and 2011.
Now let us see the 2011 census figure. Hindu 96.62 crores, Muslim 17.22 crores, Christian 2.78 crores, Sikh 2.08 crores, Buddhist 84.43 crores, Jain 44 lakhs, other religions 79 lakhs, not stated, that means those who have not stated any religion at all, their count is 28 lakhs. You can see, as per 2011 census itself, the tribal population is around over 10 crores. As per 2011 census, the exact figure of tribal population is 10 crores 42 lakhs 81,000. So with 10 crores figures, the tribal population is coming to third place, that is first being Hindus, next is Muslims, third is tribal figure, that is 10 crores as in respect of as far as 2011 census is concerned. So obviously this 10 crores is not included anywhere or listed separately, but they are obviously included in Hindus' figure. This point very clear that whenever I refer the tribals, the entire India tribals, except 10% approximately in my view, excluding the 10% population, 90% of tribal population are very close to Sanatana Dharma practices, Hindu practices since nearly 10,000 years.
However, this time our anti-Hindu leftists are making a sinister move to pressurize the central government to declare tribals as a separate religious group in the census 2021. Our constitution cannot create a new religion. For that matter, no new religion can take birth in the subcontinent because every theological or metaphysical or spiritual view should be based either on the Sanatana Dharma, that includes the Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism and Indic faiths, or Abrahamic religions tenets. There cannot be a third option. Indian tribal community practices were intertwined with the Hindu religious practices and no way near to Abrahamic religious practices, as Abrahamic religions took birth only 2000 years ago, whereas our practices have been on this Vedic land since 10,000 years. Then what is the solution for this thing? There is a solution. There is a highly constitutional legal solution. The President of India can issue a notification declaring that all the tribal populations are part of Hinduism. This will solve the problems. Recently, Swarajya magazine also has emphasized this aspect. So all Hindu groups, we should try together and petition the Prime Minister to take steps towards this immediately, as early as possible. Thank you.